So we are now on trend analysis. And before going for a break, I told you that we have already discussed about the three types of trends. One is an upward trend, one is a downward trend, one is a sideways trend. Correct? What or how does an upward trend looks like? We immediately want to see some charts so that it is there as a visual in front of you. But before we move on to charts, like I took the example of Virat Kohli. So this is just for fun. But if you want to do some analysis based on that, then you can say that we could have predicted that Virat's performance can go down based on technical analysis, not based on his personal life. So here you can see that it was going really nicely in the beginning. His batting average in internationals for the year 2014-15 was at 86.5. Okay. Then it went up to lowest. Then this is 2014-15. Okay. This is, I hope you're getting the price points. How they taken? Everyone, yes. So here you can see that this was the high point that it saw, 89.6. So in technical analysis we call this as a higher high. What is higher high? New high is higher than the previous high. Okay. So what typically happens in an uptrend or upward trend? Higher high. Correct. But if you see here, what happened immediately was in the next year, you can see that this was the low point. Before that. Low was how much? Next low was how much? 65.9. So can I say it was a higher high and a lower high? Correct. Higher high and a higher low. Yes or no? Wow. Yes, that's not a higher high or higher low. Yes or no? No. Okay. So it was a higher high and a higher low. This is a typical case of what? Uptrend. Okay. So those who are learning trends for the very, very, very first time, if you want to write down a one-liner for what do we mean by an uptrend, it will be characterized by what? It will be characterized by higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. One more example, I can take you back to the Dow theory. And yes, can I say this part? This first half. What is this? Let's understand. If I say this, or maybe a little bit different. Wait, sorry. If I say like this, can I say this high is higher than the previous high? And this high is higher than this high? Okay, then you have this low. But this is higher than the previous low. You got it? Yes. So this will be what? This will be a classic example of uptrend. In simple words, can I say this simple representation? 1, 2, 3. What is this? Uptrend. Always new high is going to be higher than the previous high. And the low which was formed, uske upar will be the next low. This is a typical example of an uptrend. Is this clearly understood? Can you visualize what will happen in a downtrend? Instead of saying higher high and higher low, what will you say for a downtrend? Lower high and lower low. Correct? It will be characterized by, so if you want to write there, in the trends, wherever it's there in your notes, go back. We have written that one liner. So this will be lower high and lower lows. You have to tell me whether this is correct or not. Is this correct? Yes. Why? This was the high. Next high was a little bit lower. Next high was further low. This was the low. Next low is lower. Next low is lower. Is it understood? I want everyone to tell me what is the sideways trend. Similar highs, similar lows. Textbook, same way, same lows. Will not happen in practical life. It will be similar highs and lows. Correct? Shall we take some practical examples for this? Yes. I'm not going to tell you which trend is that. But first, whoever is learning technical analysis for the first time, a preference to them first. Please don't shout out answers. They are not in standard 1. You don't have to prove any point. Is that sure? Okay. So if I'm considering from this point to this point, as I said, textbook and real life is going to be different, huh? What do you see here? Yes, sideways or downtrend or uptrend. This is a sideways trend. Everyone agrees? See, it's more to similar highs and lows. Everyone? Yes? And of course the stock name is ITC here. Has to be a sideways trend. Alright, we'll take another example. Shall we take a very latest example? And that is my login, so I have some points written for myself. So this is 1st April. So we'll start with the new financial year. Already to here. This is a clear-cut example of downward trend. Yes. So if I were to, never done a zigzag line here, but maybe just I can just quickly show here. First this down to here. One. Brush mode. Okay. And I'll use a brush. Directly I can draw. Arey kya baat hai? 1, 2. No chance for up. But is this a clear-cut example of going lower lows? Everyone agrees? Yes. Now I'll show you a higher time frame. I showed only from 1st of April right now, no? Too lesser of a time frame for any conclusion. No one is going to answer immediately. How do I take off the brush? Okay, I'll just delete this. For those who are doing technical analysis for the first time, now we are analyzing Nifty from its all-time high, which happened on 19th October 2021. So I'm putting here all to be. So basically, vertical line from here to here. Which trend is this? Okay, you want to write down some price points? High, low. This is one peak. Let's identify the peaks first. This is one peak. I want to write down high prices 18,604. Let's ignore the decimal points. 18,604. Those who want to write, you can write down. But there is a second peak clearly here. 18,305. 16.080. I'm considering open or close, either. We're not considering the wicks right now. Okay, okay, clear? Can I say this is the lowest? If you want to see again, if you want to identify the trend again, either you consider the wicks or the body. Both are correct. But what is wrong? For one candle you consider the wick, for another candle you consider the body. That's not correct. Have the same strategy everywhere. Is this okay? So tell me what is the lowest point here. Now if you want to consider again the either open or close, whatever. Body of the candle basically. What is the close? 16,614. Everyone is able to read or not? On the top, 16,614. Which is the next clear cut visible bottom? Its open is low, no? What is it? 16,07. Open. Either open or close. We are not considering high lows. We are not considering high lows. Either open. We have to check the body of the candle, not wick of the candle. Or if you are considering wick of the candle, then only wick of the candle. Choice is yours. That's fine. Okay. Generally, I take the body of the candle as a primary preference. If that level is broken, then the second support can hit the wick. Okay. Chalo. So here, what is the open price that you can see? 16,078. Okay. Simple here. Now, if I were to connect these high points, one can't join it properly, but till here. Oh, I was wondering how come color was white. Not only visually it is. Is it really clear cut low rise? Yes. Now let's try and join the lows. This was one low, but this is more prominent of a low. 1 and 2. I'll squeeze this in. Oh yes. This is like a channel. Can you see a channel which is going down? Yes. Highs are going lower and lows are also going lower. And this is somewhere around. What price can you see here? That black with here, this black if you check. So if it were to go down till here, maybe somewhere around 14,970 roughly, round it up to 15,000. It can, because I will not consider right here because today this is where it has stopped. It might take few more days still here maybe. Even if it were to go down. So here somewhere around here it's still 15,900 something. So 15,000. 14,900 something, 15,000. Is there a clear cut downtrend in Nifty right now? Yes. So at least you should be able to convince what is going on right now. And generally avoid taking trades which are against the trend. Okay. Again, some people say trend is your friend. Huh? Until it bend. So trend is your friend. Generally avoid taking opposite trades. Or even if you're taking opposite trades, they could be for a short time with tight stop losses. Okay, you can be much more safer with the trend. It's as good as you can imagine. You're swimming in the sea and you're swimming with the tide. Will it be comparatively easier? If you're swimming against the tide, it's going to be tougher. Okay, so that's what the trend tells us. Go as far as possible with the trend. Is it also clear? Yes. I take another example. Okay, let me take the example of Tata Elxsi बघितलं ना त्याच्या. So here, from here to here, what sort of trend can you see? Kind of sideways? Yes. So after some consolidation, can I say a new trend has started? Yes. Which trend is this? Upward trend. Okay. So this was the high. This was the high. Another high. So can I clearly say low? Sorry, higher high, and from here to here, higher low, correct? Now the question is, how can we? So trend is clear, na? Yes. Quickly tell me answers. Higher high, higher low. Trend. Similar highs and lows. Sideways. Higher high, higher low. Again upward trend. I knew everyone was going to say that's why I repeated. Lower high, lower low. This is the down trend. Is this understood now? Okay. Now how do we identify a trend reversal comparatively early? Okay. First, for simplification, I will draw a trend reversal so that you get a visual understanding first. Okay. So if it was something like this, 1, 2, 3. Now what has happened? Lower? That is what I was checking for. See? High? What is this? Higher high? What is this? Higher high? What is this? Lower high. Can I say that can be one early sign that, oh, the previous high has not been taken out. The previous high was not challenged. Okay. This is an early sign that the trend may change. When can it get confirmed? If let us say after this wave, we see something like this. Now what has happened? This was the low and this is a lower low. Ideally, what we should see is something like this. Is this understood? Yes. So in an uptrend, where will you see the first early sign? When there is a lower high. And when will the reversal get an additional confirmation? When we see a lower low. This is a trend reversal. Is this understood? You want to write this down? Yes. So wherever we have written trends. Okay, first after wherever we have written trends, then we have the miracle example. Now we continue this first. Wait. Then you'll understand what I'm talking about. First tell me, was there a higher high? From what to what, tell me? From 86.5 to 89.5. Higher high and higher high. Can I say this is low and higher low? Yes. What happened next year? This will not happen in stock market. Achanak say direct. Ideally, very rare scenarios will happen that the low is taken out first. Direct. This is the most dive. Ideally, first a lower high will be made. First the high is challenged generally, and then the low will be challenged. Because this cricket example happened a little bit different. The low itself was taken out first. Okay. So can I say this is a lower low as compared to this in 2018-19? And what happened in 1920? What happened? Now we are comparing this with high, na? This is lower high. See, always the mouse we are going to count with highs, na? And these lower points are going to be lows. What happened here? Can I say a further lower low? ऐसे बोलते नहीं है, just for your understanding. Okay. So have you understood this? Too much of khichdi? I'll simplify. Can I rub it for a minute? Anyone is copying? Can I rub it? I'll simplify this for you. So high and higher high. Low. Huh? Higher low. So I should say higher high. I'll say that. So this part is an uptrend. Simple. Correct? Here what happened? Lower high, lower low. Again a lower low. So this is an example of downtrend. Simplified version. Have you understood this? Yes. Can we go ahead with this? Yes. Chalo. So what I have done is first we'll quickly go through the notes. Yes, yes. First we'll quickly check in the notes. Do you have examples in your notes? I'm not sure. You have examples? Yes. So what can you see here? Uptrend. Clear cut example of uptrend. Yes. Next page. You can see a downtrend. Everyone? Yes. And on the next page, you can see what a sideways trend. ITC. This is ITC. Yes, it is. Okay. All trends I think fit into your mind. Before I tell you trend reversal, write down homework. Everyone has to do homework, huh? What is homework? First, that was given in the first step only. First is see the video on TradingView. Okay? And second homework is you have to check any stock, your favorite stock, and you have to tell me which trend is that. Either upward trend, or downward trend, or sideways trend, or I didn't understand it. In which time frame? You have to check daily time frame, so that it is standard for everyone. Check the daily time frame, and let us take from 1st of January 2022 till date. So that everyone's time frame is also similar. Just in case two people take the same stock. One should not say it is uptrend, other one saying downtrend. First Jan till date should be the time frame that is correct. And how to go to indoor trading also I have taught you. And it is free that also I have told you. Don't go for the paid one immediately. Daily time frame and from 1st Jan till today. Okay, clear? Yes. Now let me quickly tell you what is the concept of a trend reversal. Wherever you have some space in your notes, I have kept it pretty blank this time. You write down. For online people who don't have notes, you have your notebook, take it down. Okay. So tell me, uptrend is what? Higher high and higher low. Now we're writing short forms. Higher high, higher low. Trend reversal, we are just going to say TR. Simplicity. Tell me for uptrend, when will there be what will be the first sign of trend reversal? Lower high. Lower high. And then it will be followed by a lower low. Tell me for downtrend what will happen? Huh? Lower high and lower low. And what will be the trend reversal? It is going lower and lower and lower, but it might stop before it breaches the previous low. You're getting the point? See, this is the low trend. Okay? It will not go something like directly like this. Please understand, in a lower trend, a big upward is difficult, na? It will slowly go in the upward direction. So typically what happens, I'll tell you, first it's a lower low, and this lower low might not be taken out, and from here itself will start seeing a reversal. Are you getting my point? So if I were to go back to the Nifty example and tell you, okay, please pay attention. So if I were to, one more thing, if you are on this chart, shortcut I'm telling you, if you are already on this chart, I need not every time go to this symbol, click it, and then type. I'm on this chart, I directly start typing Nifty. It will take me to whichever symbol I want to go to. So let us say I take a Nifty 50. Why is this important? Because this is going to determine something. We are at a crucial point. Have we still broken the lower low? See, everyone tell me this was the high, lower high, low, lower low. Correct? The further lower low will be when it closes below 15,671 के नीचे. Closing below that. Has it closed below 15,600? No, it's at 15,700 something. If it is closing below this, so this line, can I say this closing is very crucial. You can see this dotted line? Are we really tight up there? Are you understanding the importance of trends right now? Yes? In the batch right now, we are at such a position which is going to determine does the Nifty downward trend continue or not. Because if it closes below this with conviction, then the downward trend still continues. And if we see even a slightest reversal here, it means that the downward trend is being challenged, can be reversed. Please understand this. We can say till yesterday it was a downtrend. From today, because it did not close below that, it's now an uptrend. Downward trend will reverse. Are you with me? Yes? And now going back to the live stream that I did. For those who are watching my lecture pretty much late, I did the live stream on 12th of May. 12th of May was the live stream date. Just in case if you have not seen that live stream, please see it. It's barely an 8-minute live stream. Very small live stream. 12th May, roughly around 8 minutes. Okay. Now, why did I say that for investors, this level can be a level where you can easily put one-fifth of your chunk of fresh investment? Are you understanding why? We are at this low point right now. Now, there could be two possible. In technical analysis terms, we say this is a make or break level. We are actually standing there, make or break. 15,600 is make or break. If we see a big red candle here, we are advancing, marching downwards. Will you be scared? Why? You put only one-fifth. Remaining 4/5 are there to invest. Correct? And just in case it bounces back from here, still are you worried? Not really. So 1/5 to gaya. At least 1/5 invested rather than zero. Are you understanding this? Yes, so I believe this can be a very crucial level, 15,600. Again, as I'm saying, even if it goes up, it will not go straight up cut. Not will it go straight down. It will go in steps. Always. Have you understood importance of supports, resistances, identifying trends? Yes. How trend reversal can be identified? This was a low, this was a lower low, and we are at the previous low right now. This low, current low, is very close to the previous low. If this is broken, then we'll be making a new lower low. A new lower low will mean downward trend is continuing. Huh. Huh. Possible? He's saying, what if for next 4 5 days it's testing our patience and 1 2 3 same level near the 15,600 mark only is doing time pass. There only. And then zup. Question is it in your example, is it making a fresh lower low? Huh? Oh, so what to do? Oh my god, that's a big worry. What to do for next 4 to 5 days? Huh? This question is for next 4 5 days if market is doing time pass. And it, like these two candles, similar candles can be seen here next 4 5 days. Even if you are a trader or even if you are an investor, what are you going to do? Wait and watch. That is the only thing you have to do. Nothing else. Otherwise, you might be in a, if you take any position in a hurry, I bet that whatever position you take is going to happen the opposite way. That happens majority of the times. The moment those who are ever laughing, they have experienced that. Yes. Okay? So it's all about the game of patience, right? If you are not getting an entry, we are not getting an entry. That's it. We have to wait. We can't say, like, abhi to kaam nahi hai office mein. This was the right time. Take a vacation, enjoy whatever profits you earned, enjoy. But don't be in a hurry. Okay? Have you already put on 150 here? Unless and until you are not getting a second indication, don't enter. A no trade is also a trade. In cricket, what do you say? Well left. If I'm saying well left, it means the batsman has that developed it. If you ball, I'm not going to hit a boundary or a sixer. You must know which balls are to be left. I'm not going to do anything. That will also save your portfolio. Okay? Thank you. Today cricket example is coming from the bottom of my heart. Alright. So downward trend. Now, are we in a downward trend right now? Yes. When can we see a trend reversal? Everyone has to tell me. When can we see a trend reversal from here if the market bounces back? What happened? Higher, low. Low. Higher, low. This is a low. And if this is the new low, tell me what is the low point here? This is the open point. This is 15,747. And this close 15,747 is 15,740. Oh my god, so close. Yeah, I'm just comparing the full body, only body. Now it might be much more visible. If you see it's almost there, very small space left. Is this clear? Yes. So tell me, how can you see a trend reversal in case of a downtrend? It will be characterized by what? By a higher low. So this example, see here everyone see this low, lower low, lower lower low. Understanding purpose. And then what do you have? A higher low. Then assume it goes here. Wait. This was a high. This was a lower high. This was a lower high. And what do we have here? Higher high. So we got a higher low also, we got a higher high also. This can be kind of confirmation of the reversal. We'll not conclude this as an uptrend. For uptrend, let's have at least one more. This is like a reversal of downtrend. More and more price points we can be more in conviction that yes, uptrend has started now. Clear? So everyone tell me first it will be a higher low and then followed by a higher high. Higher low and then followed by a higher high. Is this understood? Yes? For sideways, is there any trend reversal? No reversal as such, but there are breakouts. Okay, so for sideways, it is similar highs and lows. And trend reversal nahi bolenge isko ideally, but just so that we are having the same format. When does the trend change? It will be a breakout. It will be a breakout. Clear here? What is a breakout? Immediate आ रहा है कि बाद में आ रहा है? ऊपर गया क्या? But have I taken that as a sideways? नहीं, have I? Maybe वो बाद में और detail में आएगा. ठीक है? Okay. So here you can see sideways. Everyone focus on the screen again sideways. Was it going here? Tick 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 tick. But this is not a classic example of breakout. Not a proper breakout. Breakout. We have loads of examples afterwards in the notes itself. But maybe in one time frame I remember seeing a breakout. Yes. Wait. I want everyone's attention here. Shall I start? Between these two lines, 31st March 21 till here. I'll adjust it actually a little bit more. Here. What sort of trend was this? Very clear cut sideways trend. Very clear cut. And then you can see a big green candle breaking the upper barrier. What is that called as? Breakout. So from here we can see kuch to movement chalu ho gaya. Something has started to open. Otherwise it was always like sideways. But at least go somewhere. Either down or up, but go somewhere. So here you can see one this big breakout happened. Then you could see a higher high, a higher low, another higher high. But very first lower low was found, and immediately a lower high was also found. Correct? And then you can see ting. Okay. So IPC is one of its time stock. So again you can see such a sharp rally here. And again now it has started going sideways. But I hope you understood the meaning of breakout. Is it visually a breakout? Yes. So that is what a breakout means. But please understand, breakout can be on the downward side also. If you want, you can call it as a breakdown. Generally people don't call that. But breakout will either happen on the upside or on the downward side, and that is where I can say that the trend might change. The stock has come outside its sideways trend. Is this clear? Yes. There could be news, a big positive news for ITC, let us say, because of which the trigger came in, and then it continued. It could also be a false breakout, but right now first I understand what is a breakout, then we'll go to false breakout. So false breakouts, time है थोड़ा सा. Right now we are just showing a rosy picture, and then we are going to come to the truth. Okay, everyone first let them at least get confidence that I have understood everything. Then we'll break the confidence. Okay, chalo, sideways trend is clear. Everyone, yes. What is a breakout? That is also clear. Fantastic.